Open the Twitch app on your mobile device. You'll see the purple logo, a gateway to gaming streams. Tap on your profile icon located in the top left corner. It looks like a little person. From the menu, select Settings. This is where you manage your account. Scroll down and find the Account section. Tap on it to proceed. Select Delete Account at the bottom of the list. It's time to take action. Confirm your choice by following the prompts. Double check, and then hit Delete. You'll receive an email confirming your account deletion. Be patient, it's now being processed. Remember, this action is permanent. Your data and subscriptions won't be recoverable. If you change your mind, you can create a new account anytime in the future. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care and game on. You know where to find us. Follow us for more updates and tips about mobile gaming.